Magandang umaga po. Binisita ko po si Mr. Jun Adarlo, taga San Pascual. Kasi isa po sa mga bagay na interesado ako ay ang tinatawag ko na barangay empowerment or barangay economics or economics. So, nakita po niyo kanina ang setup ni Jun at ang potential niya na maging 5 taon kamo. Ano mga naging balakid sa'yo at paano mo siya nalampasan?
Actually, farming is not has a deep concern, especially for the food sustainability. Of course, bago ka pumasok ng farming, meron ka naka-set goal as a retired like me.
Right.
So that your focus on development is only one point. So, sinasabi mo na ano mga balakid ko. Actually, kailangan ipuhunan ng konti.
Okay.
As a retiree, meron ng konting puhunan, but as an engineer, based on economics,
Yes.
so I will not put my resources in one basket. So I gradually developed this farm within 5 years span because of my considered as a frugal farmer.
Frugal farmer.
Frugal farmer, which is the basic of good foundation.
Meron ka bang lumaki ka ba na may farming experience o na dun sa panirahan mo sa Thailand ka nagkaroon ng idea?
Actually, yung aking father is mangrowers sprayer. But hindi nagtagal. Then, from farmer, naging engineer ako. Then, I nag-go to Thailand. Napansin ko sa Thailand, ang mga palengke punong-puno ng mga high-value vegetables. So, when two years before I retired, I have to plan myself and follow the Thailand food security.
Right.
So, since Thailand is the same as the climate of the Philippines,
So,
why not na hindi natin gawin sa Pilipinas?
So, ang naging unang balakid ay puhunan. Knowledge-wise, nag-training
So,
ka?
I have plenty of seminars.
Okay.
And actually,
Public or private?
private, public, and government institution like TESDA.
TESDA.
And I was awarded by National Certificate 2 under
Organic
agriculture farming.
Agriculture and TESDA.
TESDA. So I go into training on mushroom. So then I adapt it on my farm. So this is it.
Yung pagpapatubo, pag-maintain, talaga nakakapag-ani. Gaano mo na katagal? Gaano katagal yung panahon na nakita mo na parang normalized na? Yung parang going na?
During my first year, my focus is development, sectioning of my farm, locationing, mapping, and then while at the same time attending seminars. Then the second year started to apply my trainings. Then, but it is not just simple as like that, because patience is needed in farming.
Okay.
You cannot shortcut the seeds to grow.
Right.
So after that, after growing, then you wait until its natural growth pattern. So I mean,
Natural growth pattern, meaning hindi mo siya hindi ka nag-intervene masyado.
and then ibig sabihin ko natural growth pattern, merong bawat plant ay may kanyang sistema ng paglago na hindi natin pwedeng shortcut.
Interesting. Okay.
So unless it is a laboratory culture, which is controlled closely by scientists, but in here, yung mga farming natin is open space, and then so we'll follow the natural way of growing ng mga plants. Pag sinortcut mo yan at dinamihan mo ng mga fertilizer, mamamatay sila.
Yeah. I see. Yung mga, lalo kung yung mga, especially may mga insects.
Yes.
Na
Isa pa yan ang naging problema ng mga
mabulok ang halaman.
Problema ng mga farmer ay insect.
Paano mo na-overcome yan?
So, based on my trainings in organic, there is a natural way of preventing the insect by planting flowers or plants that what do we call this? Taboy yung mga because as much as possible, I avoid using chemical pesticide
Correct.
because of my health conditions.
Organic farm ba ito?
This is not considered
Hindi
as because before na maging considered as organic farm, you have to be certified.
Certified, I see.
So this certifying body will catch you once you declare this is
Yes.
certified.
So ano yung biggest obstacle na you needed to overcome?
Actually, climate change.
Mm.
Climate change. Because
Sobrang maulan, sobrang mainit.
yes, ang mga halaman kailangan ay moderate, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong basa. So yun ang challenge ng mga farmer.
How does the natural hedge, di ba mapapansin mo, napapalibutan tayo ng mga
Puno.
Nakakatulong din sa'yo.
Yes, because yung mga puno na yan, windbreaker yan.
Windbreaker yan.
Windbreaker. At the same time, may mga kulishap na nadyan sa puno na kaibigan na ibang halaman. So nandun yung biodiversity na may kalaban na kulisap at may kaibigang kulisap. Minsan, hindi na pwedeng itaboy yung bawat isa dahil sila mismo maglalaban-laban at puprotektahan ng iyong mga halaman.
May iba ako, ano naman ang mga naging benefits sa family mo?
Unang-una,
ng gawain ito?
Unang-una, every morning I know what to do this the whole afternoon
Okay.
as a retiree.
Okay.
This is very healthy approach.
Yes.
And then I have to be sure I have to take a bath every morning.
Okay.
So from that, I am a bit healthy than other may.
Parang nagkaroon ka ng healthy routine? Parang
Yes. So my approach is doing this is just like going to the regular office. So I have to wake up 6:30 or 5:30,
Okay.
dress up with the farming attire,
Yes.
and then do some chores.
Okay.
Then have a break.
Right.
Then have a nap on the 12 noon.
Right.
Then after resume and then
Parang trabaho nga. Eh di yung mga produce, sagana, kinakain nyo, part ng inyong daily diet?
yes. Kasi yun nga ang aking purpose is food sustainability, which starts from my family.
Right. Wonderful.
Honestly, kahit alas 7 ng gabi at si Mrs. galing sa opisina, wala kaming gulay. Tatakbo lang kami sa likod. May gulay kami.
Excellent.
And this is another good factor for us.
Excellent.
So at least meron kami makukuha ng kada gabi, kada araw, every time we need. And then, yung nakapalibot sa aming kapitbahay,
Yes.
nabibigyan ko, and then susupply ko sila at lower cost.
Yun nga yung itatanong ko. Yung ano naman ang naging benefits sa mga kapitbahay? Community.
The benefits is they can get vegetables at lower cost because direct from the farm. Sometimes free.
Amazing.
And then pesticides free. That's why ngayon, although hindi ako certified organic, basta nanggaling sa Alarms Agri-Farm,
Yes.
meron silang tiwala na walang pesticide.
Pesticides. Amazing.
And then, especially dito sa aming barangay, so galing pag Alarms Agri-Farm is pesticide free, and then tinutulungan ko rin sila ng mga technology. I was attached on our barangay.
Itong farm, does its income help add sa family income ninyo?
Actually, that is the low side of farming, which as a retiree, it starts from hobby farm.
Yes.
Then, but you can not expect too much return.
Yeah, big returns.
That's just to sustain the worker salary.
Yeah. May ilan ang workers?
I have one permanent worker here.
Isang permanent.
And then kung kailangan ko at maraming trabaho, kumuha ko ng mga 2 o 3 para sa mga
so nakakapag-employ. What about yung supplies ng para sa farm, like fertilizer? Where do you buy your...
That is a good thing when I started to join in several organizations sa mga government sector na agriculture, so like cacao, corn, kasaba. Then umattend ka or pakita mo ang iyong goods as a farmer, then they will assist you.
Okay.
I have friend almost in OPA, Office of the Provincial Agriculturist,
Yes, okay.
na pakita mo lang ang inyong goal
Yes.
and the deep interest of farming, bibigyan kanila ng suporta.
Yeah.
But they need reports, they need input so that they can record for their accomplishment as a government agency.
Sige, diyan natin i-conclude ang ating pag-uusap.